Hey guys, before we start this video, I just want to say I'm sorry for not uploading in a while. I've been playing a lot of Fortnite. I want to do videos on that, but yeah, I know you can somehow, but like something's going on. But yeah, I don't know what it is. I put in all my stuff, but yeah. So yeah, I might start making Fortnite videos if I'm able to. So near in the future, and apparently I've been playing. I don't know why that happened. Okay. Well, then. Okay, so yeah, sorry for not uploading for a while. So let's. Anyways, so yeah, drop a like on this video. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna send our trains off. I normally send them out for a while. We're gonna have. Okay, we're gonna send this one out for a day, one day, and this is gonna go out for 18 hours. Okay, let's get another train. Yeah, I have to hunt food. I haven't played this game in a while, so yeah, you already know how I have to. Come on, gang. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, this is a passenger train, so I'm gonna send him off for a long time. I'm gonna send him off for a week. You, you're gonna make a lot if you go out for a week. But I'm sending you out for 2 days. Okay, so yeah. I'm probably gonna play this game in 2 days anyway, so, you know. Wow, there's so many trains here. Oh, I guess it's my fault for having 7 trains. I mean, it's not really much, but you know what I mean. Alright, so anyways, guys, oh gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so many things. Okay. Yeah, I need to get, I need better freight trains. Oh, yeah, cool. Alright, let's check, freight cards. Cards. Freight cards. Yeah. People. Okay, that's passive. That's I want. There we go. Can I get any better cards yet? I could get some for 50 diamonds, but I don't know, I feel it's a waste. Yeah, there is new cards. Sorry guys if I sound a bit different. I am a little bit sick. So yeah. Yeah, this dude, let's cancel train. So yeah. Let's cancel him, and I'm gonna add video to him. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna buy. Where are they? Yeah. I'm gonna buy. Do I have it? Okay, I'm gonna buy. Why is all like, here, this is a thing, even though I can't even use it. Okay. Go on. What's my... Sorry for the cough. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm not feeling good. I have no friends. I don't have, I guess I have that 19. Oh. Yeah, let's do this, actually. What up? Yeah, I know what to do. Don't worry about it. I know exactly what to do. Okay, that was really different. Oh, never mind, it was nice. Okay, so we're here now. Why can't we be friends? Sorry. Good breaking. It's not nice. How dare you. I never realized how hard these breakings really get. They get hard. Good breaking. Okay, nice. Oh my gosh, that one went fast. Like, all mine is just 25%, except for that one, which is 58. Alright, yep. Anyways, I think we're good. Yeah. Thank you. Alright, we apparently... Goals. I get another whistle. Yeah. Okay. Oh gosh, I don't feel good, bro. Alright, guys. So, anyways, this is gonna be the end of this video today. Hope you guys have been enjoying this video and have a nice day.